In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a playlist from Apple Music. We will move slowly, so even if this is your first time using Apple Music, you can follow along without stress. First, launch Apple Music on your device. On a Mac or Windows computer, click the Apple Music icon in your dock or app list. On a phone or tablet, tap the Apple Music app so it opens to the main screen. After it loads, you should see tabs like Listen Now, Browse, and Library along the top or bottom. If the app asks you to sign in, use the Apple ID you use for your music. Once you see your usual music library, you are ready for the next step. Now, look over to the sidebar for your playlists. On a computer, the sidebar is on the left side of the Apple Music window. On a phone or tablet, you might see Library at the bottom, then a playlist section inside it. You will see a list of playlist names such as recently added, maybe some you created yourself. Click your playlist in the sidebar. When you click it, the main area changes to show the playlist cover at the top and all the songs listed below. That confirms you are viewing the correct playlist before you download. Next up, look near the top of this playlist view for the controls. At the upper right of the playlist header, you will see a three-dot icon. This opens extra options for that playlist. Look for an arrow icon near the three-dot icon for your playlist. The arrow usually points downward and sits beside or just under the playlist name or artwork. If you hover your mouse over it on a computer, you may see a small label that mentions download. On some devices, the arrow may be slightly faded when nothing is downloaded yet, which is normal. With the arrow located, you are ready to save the music to your device. Now click the arrow to start the download. Right after you click, Apple Music begins downloading every song in that playlist to your device storage. You should see a brief change in the arrow, often turning into a progress indicator or filling in with color as it downloads. Beside each song title, a small spinning icon or progress bar may appear until that track finishes downloading. When the download is done, many devices show a small checkmark or a solid download icon next to the playlist or tracks. From this point on, you can play that entire playlist even when your internet is slow or completely offline, as long as your subscription is active. Today you opened Apple Music, selected your playlist, found the download arrow, and clicked it to save the whole playlist for offline listening. If this helped you get your playlist ready for offline listening, a quick thumbs up would really help others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more simple Apple Music tips.